Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off keyboard sounds and vibration on your Samsung Galaxy phone. We'll show you steps for both Samsung Keyboard and Google Keyboard. If you're using the default Samsung Keyboard, open the Settings app and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Here, tap on System Sound. In this menu, turn off the toggle next to Samsung Keyboard. This will disable the keyboard sounds. To disable vibration feedback while typing, return to the previous menu. Then, tap on System Vibration. Here, disable the toggle next to Samsung Keyboard. This will disable the haptic feedback you get while typing. If you are using Google Keyboard on your Samsung phone, you will need to open the Google Keyboard app. In the app menu, select Preferences. Scroll down to disable the toggle next sound on key press. This will disable the keyboard sounds. To disable vibration feedback while typing, disable the toggle next to haptic feedback on key press. This will disable the haptic feedback you get while typing. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.